got your boots on?
Yeah.
This is the service lane here.
The glass is in the walls. The shards are in the walls. These. Oh wow. Hey, let's go to these cars. That's dramatic stuff here. These cars back here, look. They're stacked up 4 high. Wow.
You okay? Okay. Wow. This is unreal.